Okay, we're in Fresno, California. We're taking a look at a hot water line to the kitchen sink. This is the back side of the cabinet right here. Kitchen faucet right there. So this is the third repair that we'll be doing out here. The first one was in the ceiling on one of the main lines that went to the water heater. Second one you can see we've done right here, cold water supply. There was a pinhole in it. Third one now is, of course, right here. It's just you can see, it's hard to see on video, but it's a pinhole, and that little line right there, and I'll take it from a couple angles right there, you see, and then the water drips down. I got my hand over it right there, so you can see it's hitting my hand and then dropping back down. So it's just a very small hole right in the bend right there in about the O, looks like NIBCO in the nib cup. So anyways, we're going to turn the water off and then go ahead and get this repaired, and then we'll be done. Okay, so we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a brand new water supply line from the back side of the wall through to the hot side. Previously we had repaired the cold side over there. That's Uponor piping. It comes in red, blue, and white. Existing piping is Nibco. And so the problem that we had before, same thing on the cold side, a little pinhole leak on the hot side. We'll go around and take a video in a minute, but what we've got here is brand new pipe stubbed through, and then a quarter turn shutoff valve there, so stainless steel ball in there instead of the multi-turn valve. And so quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And it is on the hot side, so you got a dishwasher supply, so we got you a brass T right there. So the faucet's tied in, the dishwasher's tied in. I'm seeing dripping water up there, so you got something going on with your faucet. We'll look at that in a minute. That's not in the scope of our work, but you do have something going on there. But everything in here is good, so you can see, packing nut, or not the packing nut, but the nut on the back side where it mounts. That's good, no dripping. And then of course the brass T. And when I say the nut, we're talking about this feller right back here. So that's sealing, and then the brass T is good. The points of connections are good. So you got the faucet right here with the little yellow tape on it, and then the dishwasher hose tied in. So that's all good. Let's sneak around the other side, take a video of this, and then maybe we'll see what's going on with the faucet. But so same thing. We did this cold repair. Seems like it's probably been a year ago. And so now we're back, same thing. The homeowner had left this wall open. They noticed that it was spraying water right here, and so we've left your piping sitting right there. Took a video. We'll combine these two videos, but took a video of the little pinhole, and it was spraying water up. So now that's replaced with Uponor piping. So Shark Bite 90 on the bottom, Uponor piping all the way through. This bracket was installed already, so we just pulled out the old piping, put the new piping in, turned it on. Everything's good. So monitor this area. It should dry up in there. I know your baseboard and your sheetrock's wet, your carpet's wet again, just like it was before. But monitor these fittings in here. If you're going to leave it open for a while, obviously you'll see it. But when I say monitor it, we're talking about these guys right here. So anything in here. And these, like I say, these are approved by code, and we don't have problems with these. We use these up in the ceilings, attics, whatnot, so they're good. Anyway, so that's the scope of the work. Outside of that, we are done.